Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk VK2200. And now I'm gonna show you how to change the pen tablet brightness on this device. So, to change the display brightness on the Veikk VK2200, you just need to click and hold on the app sensor touch button on the right panel of your Veikk display. Press and hold, and then, as you can see, we can change the brightness, the backlight brightness, if we are using this button, holding it, not just touching, but touching and holding. And in the same way, we can reduce the brightness. Then, when you will set up the brightness in the way you want, just click on the A button, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.